friends, so now we have some enough for the grade problems. The first one says Southside School has 2 second grades. There are 30 students in Class A, and there are 7 fewer students in Class B. That does not mean that they just have 7 students in Class B. There are 7 fewer. So A has 30. A is a big class. B is smaller. They have fewer. They have 7 fewer. So let's take away those extra 7 students to figure out how many are in Class B. I'm going to use a number line for this one. And I'm just going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of those were 1 jumps. I could have jumped 5 and then some more, but I didn't. That probably would have been faster. Now I'm labeling to figure out where I end up, and there are 23 students in Class B. So A has 30, B has 23. That's going to be important for the next part. You're going to have to use that information. Now this part is a 2-part problem. It says the school principal has 100 pencils. If he gives 1 to every second grader, how many will he have left? So before we start solving this part, we need to know how many second graders there are. So I'm going to put Class A, which is 30 students, together with Class B, which we just figured out has 23. Oh, and we can do that equation. 3 tens plus 2 tens is 5 tens, or 50. 0 plus 3 is 53. So there are 53 second graders. I'm going to label it so I don't forget what these numbers are. There's going to be a lot of numbers in this. So now the principal has 100 pencils, a lot of pencils. So he's got 100, or she has 100. And the principal is giving away 1 to every second grader. So they will be giving away 53 erasers because everybody gets 1. And we're going to figure out how many does he have left. It does say he. So I think I'm going to use some equations on this. So I know 100 minus 50. Now I know 50 plus 50 is 100. So if I take 50 away, I should still have 50. So I split up this into 50, and I'll do the 3 here in a minute. Now, if I did not know what 100 minus 50 was, I could do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And I could mark out 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Sorry, I'm running out of room. And I would have 50 left. But I'm not done because I have not taken away the 3. So 50 minus 3 equals, we don't know yet. If I couldn't count backwards from that big of a number, I could do a number line. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Doesn't have to be a very big number line on this one. I'm labeling my jumps. So once I have my jumps labeled, I landed at 47. So this principal gave away 53 erasers and was left with 47. All right, for some reason that got cut off, but that's okay. Class A has 29 students. There are 4 more students in Class A than Class B. There's my 4 more. So I just took away that 4 from 29. I know 9 minus 4 is 5, so we were left with 25 in Class B. Now, here's the second part of that problem. The school principal has 100 erasers. If she gives 1 to every second grader, how many will she have left? So just like last time, I don't know how many second graders there are total yet. So I need to add classes A and B together. So A had 29. B, we said, had 25. 20 plus 20 is 40. 9 plus 5, it's a 9's fact, 14. So now I need to add my 10s and 1s back together. 40 plus 14 equals 54. So there are 54 second graders in this school, but I'm not done with this problem. It's a two-step. That was the first step. Now, the principal is giving away 1 eraser to every one of those 54 second graders. So we're going to have 100 minus 54. We're going to see how many she has left. That's what we're looking for. That's what it's asking. How many will she have left? So I think this time I'm going to use a number line. Last time I used equations. So the principal has 100 and she's giving away 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in my labels. All right, so minus 10, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50. So we took 50 away and we have 50 left. That adds up to last time. Now, 49, 48, 47, 46, because I have to take away the 4 as well. So this principal had 46 erasers left.